Welcome back creators, today we will be doing an unboxing and review of this little master. The Ulanzi VL49 RGB Video LED Camera Light. Are you a videographer? Or a photographer? Have you ever felt helpless when ended up in a low light situation to shoot with? Then this tiny champ will help you a lot. This LED flashlight can provide an efficient range for up to 5 meters, and it is powered by a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery which can last up to 2 hours on full output, and up to 10 hours on low output. So without wasting any time, let's unbox the cover and see what's inside. As you can see, the flashlight is covered in a protective cover. The body of light is built in plastic, but the build quality seems okay in this price range. And we also get a USB to USB Type-C cable along with it for charging. Slightly disappointed by the fact that the company is not providing a dedicated charger in the pack. And some basic documentation. That's all what we get in this pack. Since it is a simple device to start with, let's keep the documentation aside and power up the light. The display at the back side shows mainly 4 elements. The light spectrum, intensity, charge level and the color spectrum value at the bottom of all these. Below that we will get the charging port and the controls. The first 2 switches are the value adjustment, whereas the third one is for changing the modes. Now let's see these controls in detail. On pressing the mode button we can toggle between various controls. Now using the control switches we can move across the various intensity levels. At lower intensity we can count the numbers of light modules inside. This light consists of 5x4, that is total 20 LED modules. On long pressing, we can navigate across various preset values of the light which include party mode, HSI slow, HSI fast, RGB strobe, red flash, green flash, blue flash etc. There is mode to resemble a cop's car and fire truck as well. On the white light mode the control switches can be used to navigate across the temperature values from 2500K to 9000K. In the RGB mode we can navigate across the color spectrum using these control switches. Now coming to the con side, I felt that the absence of a dedicated hot shoe in place of this cold shoe would have enhanced the capabilities of this device. The link for purchasing this amazing tool is in the description box, and I would like to remind that it is a free unbiased review after using the product. So that's all for today guys. We will be back with another episode from the world of photography and videography. Tune to our channel, hit likes and shares. See you then, bye bye.